Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is now at a level of $2.3420. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, it has made a low of around $2.2202. Okay, and that you have to understand, which I have already told you, that if the price starting moving below a level of $3, chances will be very high. There is a probability of touching 2.5. As soon as it touches a level of 2.5, we can see a further fall. See, this is the level it has made low, and yes, a probability is further higher that we can see it can go further down. Okay, there are two patterns forming that you have to understand. That, see, this is the thing what we have seen after pandemic. Okay, after that, there this. If you have any doubts regarding natural gas, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, now look at this particular chart. What you can see, there is a continuous upside we have seen after pandemic. Okay, and after every high, because people were thinking that the market will go down. Okay, but it was continuously moving upside because they were thinking that the pandemic will go and continue. So as soon as it started making high, we have seen a profit booking was coming, and this is being repeated for quite some time. After that, there is a continuous fall because at this level we have seen a Russia and Ukraine war has come. After that, there is a continuous fall. Okay, now if you look at this, opposite U pattern is forming. After that, there is a fall after $3. Okay, and there is a clear pattern we have seen formed after it went to a level of 2.7 below this level, and once started moving below this level, a further fall we can see. Now if you look at this particular trend, till the time price is not going above a level of 2.7, we will not see a further upside movement. Okay, on a weekly wise, you can see from around 6 weeks there is a continuous fall. Okay, and you can say it is around from 2 months there is a continuous fall. Okay, as soon as it started moving below this zone, okay, because from 4-5 weeks it was in this zone, as soon as it breakout happens, we have seen a further downfall. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, chances are very high that we can see it can fall further down because there is a clear pattern is forming. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.2560. If the price fall below this particular level, chances of going further down we can see towards a level of $2.1871. Okay, and if the price started moving below this particular zone, we will see it will fall further low towards a level of $2.0941. Okay, and this level is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will fall further down, and yes, a probability of going towards $1.9804. Okay, and if it moves below this particular level, chances of going further fall we can see towards a level of $1.7711. Okay, again I repeat, what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, if the price keep moving below this level, we can see a level of $2.2560 to a level of 2.1871. If it moves below this level, we can see a level of 2.041, and from there a level of below a level of $2, then to a level of 1.98, then to a level of 1.71. But if the price started moving below this level, a further fall we can see, because this level we have not seen since 2020. So chances will be high that after July 2020 this low has come, and so probability of moving below a level of 1.5 also we can see. But now understand something, market is uncertain. I keep repeating you this. See, whatever you are looking in the chart is the real thing. If some news come, data come, it can be manipulated. Okay, news can be manipulated, okay, in the favor what they are given. So what you have to understand, always try to set your SL, because if the news or something is manipulated, you will save your profit and capital also. And if you are trailing your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you are doing, you are perfect in what you are doing, then it will save your for a longer view, and your capital also and your profit also. These two things you have to follow. Suppose if it form a swing, what we can see, suppose it form a swing, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.44. Okay, and if that price sustain, then we can see it will fill a gap at a level of $2.4915. Suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 2.7859 will be there, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around $3.0387. $3.038 is already being tested here, so chances are high we will see it will go further upside, and yes, a probability of going towards 3.350 will be there. Okay, and once the price started sustaining over that level, we will see it will cross a level of around 3.6, and from there a probability of going towards 3.8 we can see, and from there a level of 3.9. so once the price started sustaining up 3.9, a probability of this gap can be filled and a further upside movement we can see. Understand something, if you don't want to take a risk, so remember, if any event is coming, don't trade before 1 hour and after 1 hour. Okay, then trade. But if you want a good volatility or you want to make good profit, you can reduce your quantity to half or 1/4, increase your SL by 4 or 1/2. This is what all I teach in my workshop. Then when to trade, when there is high volatility, less volatility, all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please